Okay, so ito yan ha. Ito ang ano, Tuesday VG and one Sunday. Okay, so ano to ha, Mike? Meron kaming contest, the longest mic. Long mic. Ayan. So, start tayo with Mar. Pinakamahabang mic. Ready? Ready? Get set?
Ito to. Game.
Go!
Happy birthday, Mike.
10 seconds.
Okay, 10 seconds. Tumirik after 10 seconds. Okay, sino next?
Yun na.
Okay, Pinoy is in the house.
Happy birthday, Mike!
9 seconds.
Okay, pakita ang ano, cellphone.
9 seconds.
9 seconds.
Reset mo na.
Okay, reset pala. Pinakita natin
Okay na,
0-0.
reset na.
Sino next? Ako na? Okay, oh.
Ken.
Okay. Kenneth.
Happy
Action!
birthday, Mike.
Daya! 4 seconds!
4 seconds. 4
Okay.
4 seconds.
Okay, meron tayong nagpapatalo dito.
Sino pa natin si Bar, 11.
Okay. Sige.
Next.
Okay, game na. Love ni Mike si
Twenty-one seconds. 21.
And the final
Mike yung sinabi ko Mike yung
contender
sinabi.
Final
is
contender
Mr.
daw.
Chubby po.
Mahal na mahal ni... si...
Ten seconds.
Okay.
And the winner is...
At dahil dyan, meron kaming
Sino panalo?
surprise sa mananalo. At sa gabi ito, ang nanalo ay walang iba kundi si Reb Pogi Ikaw at bigyan siya ng North Face. Kung ano man nasa loob, secret yun. Ito na.
Okay. Sige.
Okay. Anong message mo dahil nanalo ka?
Ikaw ang panalo.
Ano
sa mga
On behalf of... Like, joke lang yung mga yung jokes. Ayun, on behalf of the Tuesday and one Sunday VG.
Ba't ako tinuro mo?
And ako na not really participating in the VG. We give you our gift.
Donation, bro.
Donation.
From Team
Donation
Unstoppable.
yan.
Donation.
Pangmayaman
Pangmayaman.
donation package. Happy birthday. And God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma.
Ito na.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Pang mayaman yan. Sige.
Pangmayaman.
Bro.